Good morning, guys. Welcome to our first class. Right. So, today we are going to be treating HTML tags. Right. So, I'm going to be short and precise. If you are going to get this very well, then you have to be mindful of these 2 points that I've written on the screen. Yes, but firstly, what can we call HTML tags? So, in simple terms, right? So, HTML tags are instructions that tells the browser how to show your text, right? So, moving to the first point, it says you can only format text to the browser screen with the use of tags, right? And we said tags are instructions that tells the browser how to output your text. So, what are those instructions? I'm going to show some example right now. So, if you are using laptop, you can just move to this icon right here. Then you search for live preview. Right. So I'm not connected to internet right now. So okay. So it's showing. It's showing right live preview. So in short, okay, this live preview by Microsoft. So when you install that, then you can be able to do this. You click on this icon, then part of your screen will be showing what you are doing. So what are those instructions? An example of an HTML tag is the paragraph tag, right? So let's run an example. Let's say I want to write a text to the browser and I want to output my name is Code Plus, right? So I'm going to write a less than. I'm going to put P, meaning paragraph, sorry, small letter. Then I'm going to put a greater than. Then, don't mind this. Then you are going to, I'm going to input my text. My name is Code Plus. Then I'm going to follow with a less than, sorry, less than. Then I'm going to follow with a slash. Then I'm going to follow with P. Then I'm going to follow with a greater than. This is how to format a paragraph to your screen with HTML. Right? So let's pick another tag. Let me quickly look for a tag. Okay, let's pick italics, right? So I want to output my name is Code Pros with the italic tag, right? So I'm going to follow the same step. Less than I it should be small letter I, then greater than, then followed by my name is Code Plus, followed by less than, slash, then I, then greater than. So if you look closely, this is a paragraph, this is a normal text, while this is in italics. Let's shift this to capital letter so that you can see very well. My name is Code Plus. Right, so this is a normal text, this is in italics. Let's run another example with another tag, right? Let's pick the underline tag, right? I want to output my name is Code Pros, but I want it underlined. I'm going to follow the same step. Less than, you, greater than, sorry, your tags should be in small letter. Sorry, I have my cap locks on, that's why. Right, so then in between I'm going to put my name, sorry, my name is Code Pros. right? Look closely. This is my name is CodePros, but it is underlined, right? So when I say tags are instructions that tells the browser how to output your code, meaning this P is a tag, but I'm telling your browser to output whatever you put in a paragraph text, right? So this I is an instruction that is telling the browser to output whatever you put in, it should come out in italics, right? So this U is an underline instruction. So we have series of tags, different tags. So with time you are going to be getting familiar with more of them. So moving to point number 2, it says we have paired and unpaired tags, right? Meaning paired tags are tags that have opening tags. Yes, this is P, but then there is a closing tag. This is P again. The only difference between them is the closing tag is having a slash, and then the opening tag is just with the alphabet. So that is how it is with paired tags. They have opening tag, and then at the end of whatever you input, there is a closing tag. That is what we mean by paired tags. So on paired tags, we have some tags or tags that they don't require an closing tag. They don't require any closing tag. Just open your tag, input whatever you are going to input, and it's going to output like that. Okay, so let's run an example of an unpaired tag. There's this tag that we call horizontal tag. Input your less than, then HR meaning horizontal, then you have your greater than. So if you look closely, now we have an horizontal line starting from the left to the right. So this is an unpaired tag because it doesn't require any closing tag. Then the last point we have more than 80% of the total tags are paired. So you may likely come across some you definitely come across some unpaired tags later in the future, but they are not much, right? It's something so that you can just memorize and know, oh, this is a paired tag, this is an unpaired tag, right? So 80% of these tags are paired. All right, so let's run a quick summary. So we said you can only format with the use of tags, right? So what are tags? They are instructions that tell the browser how to output your text, right? An example of tag is P paragraph tags. We have italics tag, we have underline tag, we have so much many tags, right? So and then we have paired tags. Those are tags that have opening tag and closing tag. And then we have unpaired tags. They don't require any closing tag. So you just have to input your tag just like that. And then we said 80% of these tags are paired, right? So meaning those are paired are much more in population than unpaired tags, right? So thank you very much. Thank you for listening. We are going to visit more tags in our next class. So if you are somehow confused on how to set up this VS Code, I'm going to drop a video later. And if you are if you are coding with your mobile phone and you are having problem setting up your this thing, so just check my previous videos on how to set up your TradeEdit or Coda on either iPhone or Android. Thank you very much.